Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So many of you have been asking me about this system that I use, and it's not. I don't think it's that brilliant. But many of you have been asking me, what's this indicator? What's that indicator? Like basically I previously told you, you can watch the previous videos on this channel. I don't exactly use these indicators as indicators, but I just use them to visualize my chart as visual cues. That's what I basically use them for. But well, you guys, you continue asking me about this, about that, so I'm basically going to just share it with you. So the link for the download is actually in the description box below. Now, downloading everything is one thing. In that folder, you have all the indicators as well as the template, that I use. But if the template, sometimes templates are temperamental, and you might not be able to actually see what you hoping you were going to see. In this video, I'm just going to show you the values that I have, because you guys are always asking me about this. Again, I really don't think much about this system. Like I said, for me, it's just for visual cues. It's not like I wait for this and this to do that, but for visual cues, I just know that there's a key zone there, there's a key zone there, there's a key zone there, we are in a channel there, and it's just giving me a visual cues, because I believe I'm a visual person. But anyway, you guys requested it, and I am sharing it for free. The link is in the description box below. So before we go further, I'm going to show you the settings that I have on my chart in case the template that's in that folder is not working for you. You can easily watch this video and set up everything for you, for yourself, and basically get it working. It's not magic that I'm doing here. So okay, so if you are new on this channel, do me a favor and subscribe. That's how you will not miss out on future videos. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like the video, or dislike it. But if you dislike it, then just tell me why you didn't like the video. So, things that I can improve. I know somebody previously said something about mic or something like that. I'm trying new mics every time, but sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But anyway, so go ahead and like the video. If you are looking to download Forex robots, indicators, and stuff like that, the links are also in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. The broker that I use, in case you follow my videos, my trades, and stuff like that, you want to match what I will be doing. The broker that I use, the link is in the description box below. With just $5, you can start trading with a real life account. So go ahead and sign up with them. Otherwise, let's get back into the video. So after you download the folder, what you want to do is to place all those indicators into your MetaTrader 4 indicators folder. It's MetaTrader 4. Unfortunately, it's MetaTrader 4 for now. That's what I'm still relying on. I use MetaTrader 5 for synthetics and other indices, but when it comes to Forex, I'm still on MetaTrader 4. Don't shoot me. It is what it is. So after downloading everything, and you put the indicators in the folder, the indicator folder, let's see if I can show you. Obviously, if you download, after downloading the folder, you want to go to open data folder, and obviously you want to go into MQL4, and then you go into your indicators folder, and you can basically drop everything in there. You can see I've got lots and lots and lots of things in there, but anyway, drop everything in there, or you create a new folder and organize everything together. Then obviously the template file, again, let's go back. The template file, you are going to again file, open data folder, and there is templates there. You're going to go in there again. There's going to be then just place the template file in there. Hopefully, after doing all of that, you come, right click on your chart, and you go to template. The template will pop up. I gave it a scientific name. It's just 25 April 2022. That is scientific name. So everything hopefully should just show up. If it doesn't, then this is how you are going to set it up. So I'm going to go into my indicators list, and you can basically see everything. So first of all is FXSSI round levels, and we're going to go into edit, and let's just do that. You guys are always asking me. I don't think too much on this system, really. I don't think too much on this system, besides just being a visual cue. That's it for me. So first, FX SSI round level, you can download. You can even download this indicator free online. So you can easily download it online. But so here my settings, levels, quantity on screen, I've got it on less. Draw levels, it says all. You can decide whatever works for you, only figures or only on figures and halves, but I've got all. Then labels on, these are the labels. Price label, that's the price label. Font size, you can decide whatever font size you want for that. Then the width for the lines, you can see them here. So those are the width, and I'm using color scheme light. So it depends on the chart that you are using. If you are on a black screen, you probably want to use light. If you are on a darker screen, it's light. If you're on a light screen, you want to use a dark color, or you can set it to auto. Mine, I just set it to light. The figure lines, I'm just using dots. You can decide whatever works for you. I'm just using dots. So you have the settings for the this indicator right there. You can set alerts. Whenever price touches these levels, you get an alert that pops up on your chart. You can set alerts. You can set on alerts or figures and halves or everything. For now, my alerts are off. You decide whatever works for you. Then the next thing is the candle timer. You can see all these things I downloaded off the internet. Easy stuff. So that's my settings for the candle timer. If you really want to recreate everything, or if you want to change anything, you can change the color there. Whatever you want to do, you want to do. But that's my settings there. This is the candle timer. This it times my candle. I know how much time is left before this candle can close. This is a 4-hour time frame, so these are 4-hour candles. So this candle still has 1 hour 30 minutes before it can what it can close. So it helps me decide whether I should enter or I should wait. That's what the candle timer does for me. You don't want to enter like when the candle is about to close, because you don't exactly know what's going to happen with the next candle. Ideally, you want to enter a few minutes after the candle is opened, when the candle is given you some indication of where it's going to go. Then you can place your trade, or but basically you decide however you're going to use it. Then we are going to come to this indicator. It's called auto trend lines channels. I don't know if you can see it in there, but it's this channel. Let's just do this. Let's go to daily. You can see there is another channel in there. This one, which has got two dotted lines and a line in the center here, and it is also this. So there's a channel that's going through that. That's that indicator. That's that indicator. It's this indicator. So let's go into the settings that I have. External depth or X depth. I don't know if it's even external. 12, 5, 3, 6, 0, 1, 1, 4 gross period. Visible 1. Light gray. Basically here this you have to type, or that's with this indicator you have to type these things, so you're not going to just double click and change anything. You're going to have to type. Even when you want to change this to blue, you're going to have to type it out. Then this is all my settings. If I'm moving too fast, feel free to rewind the video and watch everything again. So that's my too many settings on this indicator. I'm not going to go through each and every one of them, but hopefully you have seen everything. I've tried to slow down so that you can see everything again. That's everything on this indicator. Then we come to these color levels. Login this. I don't know, it's looking for me. Then we go in there. So this indicator is basically this indicator. Basically what we can use to upload things around. For example, there, without needing to go to insert shapes and whatever, you can easily use that to do that. Let's delete, or you can choose a line. That's basically that indicator. So if you want to recreate everything according to me, this is the indicator. It's set to the left lower chart corner. That's where you find it. Or you might want to set it to upper corner, lower corner, whatever corner that you want to set it to. Then these are my settings. 2 bytes gains pro. Show in background is set on false. Then you can see everything there. Okay, so I'm hoping that I've given you enough time to just look at it. If I move too fast, just rewind the video so that we don't take the whole day doing this. Then the next indicator is around levels. I know somebody was asking me about my settings. This is my settings for Forex. You are going to have to play with it if you are going to set it for BTC or crypto or indices. But for normal Forex, this is my settings. Also gold. Also on gold, you might want to tinker with it a bit, but this is my settings on normal Forex. You can see everything there. Then again, if I'm moving too fast, then basically just rewind everything, rewind the video and watch it again. Then we come to 1VS channel indicator. So over there, we click on there. Those are my settings. Again, you can change it to whatever works for you. I actually did not think much about this system that I'm using before people started asking me about it. I basically did not think much about it, but anyway, people have been asking me about it. So here are my settings, and you can download it in the description box below. Then this is where it says Forex Factory News login piece. Basically, this is my news indicator so that I don't always have to go back to Forex Factory to look for news. Let's see if it appears because it was there a while ago. Or it says time frame must be lower than daily. That's that indicator. The news indicator will show news below the daily time frame. Let's go again and see why it's no longer showing the news. But I think when we started, the news were there. Let's just see. Nothing. The news is not coming. I thought when we started, the news was there. Let's see. But these are my settings. These are my settings. Basically, GM offset, I'm in South Africa, is +2. Then news time count, I've got 5. I needed to list 5 news items maximum. I don't want a whole lot of news on top there. You can see it's set to be at the left bottom here. Then local news time is best. So the news that is going to that's going to come is going to be based on my local news time, South African time. So I'll know if NFP is going to come at this time, South African time, not UK time, not London time, or not even my broadcast time, but my local time. Then show forecast, yes. Only flags, yes. I think when we started, there were 2 small flags that were there, and history flags, false. Everything you can play with these things, and you can see what works for you. Really, I did not think much about this until people started asking me about, hey, you've got that thing on your chart. What is it? What are the settings and stuff like that? I was hoping that that news thing would come back. It seems like it's throwing a tantrum today. So let's go back, and this is the last indicator. Is this one? It really does nothing as well, besides just giving me an idea of the candle colors. The candle colors. If say I am on, let's go to 5 minute. Let's say if I'm on 5 minute, and I know the candle color on 5 minute is blue, but I know on 4 hourly the candle color is actually red. So without flipping through charts, I can know what color is the daily candle or the weekly candle or the 4 hour candle, even if I am on the 1 minute time frame. But I will know that the daily is red, the 4 hourly the candle is red, on the 1 hour the candle is red, and you can see here it changes up and down, up and down. So it just gives me an idea. Like monthly, on the monthly we are on a blue candle. You can see. So without flipping through time frames, I can tell what color is on that time frame, that candle. That's just basically what it does. This is what weekly, we are blue on the weekly. And if we drop down to the daily, it's red. So that's just basically what it does. So I hope you got my settings. If you did not get anything, then you can basically rewind the video and watch it again. And you can download everything in the link in the description box below. I hope that it helps you. Many people have been asking me about it. I don't really think much about it besides being just a visual cue. So many people have been wanting to use it, test it out. Well, if it works for you, good for you. If it doesn't work for you, it's still good. For me, I just use it for visual cues. That's it. So like the video, subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.